Jackfruit crisps. Real fruit. The healthier crisp to snack on. Tree ripened for flavor. No added salt, sugars, preservatives, colors, or flavors. You can get this for $11. Jeez.
Made in Vietnam.
Smells good when you open it. Definitely smells like jackfruit. 94.7% jackfruit. And then it's vegetable oil and tapioca starch. That is very crispy. Crispier than I was expecting. It's also very light. And it's not like sticky like a dried apple. It's just like super crispy and light and crunchy, and you could probably eat a whole packet really easily. It's very nice. I think you should totally try this. Definitely worth it. Really up there in terms of snacks. Little bit pricey though, but maybe try it. Let's say 9 out of 10.